In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can check if your Samsung screen touch has no issues before buying it. When a Samsung device experiences touchscreen issues, you may notice unresponsive areas, erratic touch behavior, or ghost touches where the screen registers touches without actual input. This can disrupt normal usage and make it difficult to interact with the device effectively. To avoid such cases, you will need to check if the device is in good condition. To do this, simply head into your phone dialer. You will then have to press star, harsh, then 0, and a start and press harsh. It will directly take you to this page. Tap on the option of touch. On this page, to check if your phone touchscreen is okay, simply move your finger through all these boxes. For every area you touch, it will appear green. And when all areas are green, it will automatically get back to the menus page. Put in mind that if your screen doesn't appear green in an area you have touched, that means it's the dead part on the phone touchscreen. That's how easy it is to check if your touchscreen on your Samsung phone has no faults. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.